Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hadisa Armadani from PGAD 24. Sick. Everyday lives in the Soviet Union, the shopping run around. Once I had heard about customer shortages before going to Moscow, but only when we began to shop there did the Russian customer problems really have meaning for me. Customer the world over waiting lines, but Soviet lines have a special quality. All their own, typically, the Soviet woman spends 2 hours a day in line, 7 days a week. Personally, I have known of people who stood in line 90 minutes to buy 4 pineapples, and 1 per 2 hours to buy their large heads of cabbage, only to find the cabbages were gone as they purchased. The font of the line lines can run from a new few years yard to nearly a mile. Some friend of ours watched a line of people in Moscow singing up to buy rocks. The line lasted 2 days and nights and ran for close, although an apparent development. Two, in spite of all of this, the natural reaction of a Russian woman when she sees a line forming it to get it in immediately, even before she knows what is begin. So, however, Soviet lines are more fluid than they appear. In most stores, for example, shoppers must sign in not one but their lines for any purchase. The first to select purchases to and find out its price. The second to pay a cashier somewhere else in the store and get a receipt. And the third, to get pick up their purchase and turn in the receipt. Three, but in a jewelry store one morning, I found out that the game is both simpler and more complex than that. I want to buy some cheese, butter, and bolognese sauce, which were in their separate departments. The choice is on live, 9 lines. For rather quickly thought I noticed that experienced shoppers were skipping the first stage. They know what most items cost, so they went directly to the cashier for their receipt. After study price, I did that too. Then I went to the chase line. The longest probably 20 people to get the worst over with first. I was in line less than a minute when the woman in front of me asked me to her place. She dirt of the butter and milk line. The cheese line was moving so slowly that she got her butter and milk and returned before we had advanced their I decided to take the risk too, and I got back with my butter while the cheese line was still in chain long. 5. Then I suddenly occurs to me that all over the store people were getting into line, holding place, laying, returning. Everyone has using the cheese line as home base. That was why it was barely moving. It kept expanding in the middle. So I got man behind to me, hold my place, and I went off to buy my Logan. Once again, I worked. It took me 22 minutes to buy butter sausage and cheese, but instead of being furious, I felt as if I had beaten the success testing. 6. This competitive shopping gives an atmosphere of tensions of Russian life. People burst into stores and bump into each other with face set in combinative expression, you have to understand. Said a kind, brave, hired person that for as long as we can remember shopping has been a struggle, life is a struggle. 7. There is hardly any effective advertising to help shoppers. American complaint about the constant commercial is the United States, but they might consider if they were exposed to the consumer blackout in Russia. A typical Soviet might be if you want to live to a ripe old age and be beautiful, most neutral and truthful drinking. Most newspaper publish without it. The shopper has no hungry yellow page or daily newspaper, supermarket or department store ads to help her decide where to shop. 8. Bravery is with widespread low pay. $80 to $20 monthly to $120 monthly. Sellers sales clerk take a portions of attractive items and sell them secretly to regular customers who have either left brave and advanced who can be counted on to pay a high price on delivery. Then of 10 to 15 rubles on a 16 ruble Raycons is standard. In 1976, the ruble was equivalent to $132. 9. So common is this practice that the Soviet press is always complaining about it, but it doesn't do any good. Crocodile, 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 the Soviet humor magazine, once saw a department store employee promoting some newly arrived item. Their customer in the leather goods department, 500 import women's prices have been raised. 450 of them have been bought by store employees. 49 are under the counter and have been ordered in advance to friends. Once purse is in the display windows. We invite you to visit the leather department but buy this purse. Thank you.